fitani asese ne din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
Etiefone ahwefo me ma obibia akwaba munyi aba musonfo mesikao na me de ingitan wo abeto mapo no so eba besomo ndwada yante asempa na ye hwening sanka ade ebechi na wonwasem bi esi na so ni na mu ya yete na yete ye former President JJ Rawlings ye na watwa na nanom ewo ensie do na enu echinti ya enya ne se ye ndwada wo free mu na ekoba se hospital wo ye hu NDC ni ba kumpo ewo ho na even though say news ne ba ye omkopie mu Flagstaff House na ye ze na to ne cousin omukopie mo so mo the message no ekwa akoto is excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo enimo no omukopie mo na kire se reported by ni se NDC ni ba kumpo na won kan ikofuku ana obohia wo ho na enu na amadodo na susu se we di ase bibi ekoso wan hwe ye ana kire se barrier na ye bekoso NDC fo omo entumi enjimu na reporting so nti ya esenya ye ne se emra wada hospital no ankoba se mpanifo NDC mpanifo nimpo ebi ekopie mu wo ho is alleged say ye John Dramani is excellence ye ex-president John Dramani ana say si edum ketia ana say fosu apofu je so mu bie ni wa wo mu kopie mu na no na madodo na susu se wan hwe ye we de ye ze na to me the family no be ye NDC for esi nchen na ni na mu na tie for nsem we de say ya won asem ne abobo ba na de nsem wo mu mi twa me ho aba na me de aba besom Mema obibia akwaba bim ena msemsem ekoso fa ye former president awaja ni baby ko ehu na no ensem achesenti asense dan ni mama matumi safre ye papa Alexon beka me ho ye papa apostle ajeman prempe na ye be chechen semwetie fo ne ahwefo mo fa moni endi echi apostle
yes
mema wakwaba
yeah
na osiuti die nwa ye fankasa
ida wasi yomi shiro
amen
na kunso hu ye de
nyame adom
asa dum abetra
abazo se yenti ya wase ho ade etiefuo adofo ganafuo yenti ya wase so de de nyame ache wonim de de twia na ye betwo
you mate mezu yankopon asemti mezo tambia motun safre beba
I mean shra ma nkatenten mai ofa nkwani bi nkan bi
amen
nembu faso
amen
abazo
yes
na wo ahwe nsem yi ekoso onipa yi ye papa ya hwe ade atoye ni a chese ganafo ye di ho abobo a chese ye twa jado ankasa ganafo rawo na afen so nsensem na abobo na ebobo ba na but wo hwe sisi a ne anyoma akoi wadwen kire wo ho ne sen
merci mesdames et messieurs shira odika na fin so o je share my phone company for director cameraman mo ne ade no already pegam na too much GH education so a phone nyina se da shira ma obia etem bi obia na na nyenti a o too much GH
amen
echia ma busuafo ene asafo manyina merci asem kase na esi odupon tutu na the party members no Jerry John Rawlings now chebe bi say okoda hospital as o man anko hwe no
apostle sa 90
ba say no man go tumi anko hwe ne dia no man anya ade no man anya ade ho papa Yesu asemi o Matthew 25:31, 46. Or say, accommodate me, Mamma Biani. To accommodate Mamma Michiano. He are recorded a hospital, Mamma. No, say, I would have been a day. The band away again. Now put the hospital near me, no cry. I would have been here. The band one year be an Indian, and come the only more be. Was it someone yam Mamunianum? Buba Kono, Menso, one yam. You see, a some way, or the book to attend what they would have. Nipa, it's morning. I was hiding. Over generally, one year, the founder of NDC, what do you say? National Democratic Congress. One a tea, and what the moon in our baby. And the moon of Muya, the Munya, your Munya baby, it crazy. Why are you at the hospital? Say, I'm fat, say, woman call Uncle Henry. Hey, and then I shall you NDC Bonanga, or Muya Bibu.
Now, I no send the AC quality, actually say, either say, a year is enough to let a man, like the family, no. Okay. And now, almost involved you won't. Like, Oma Momania, as you say, a former president at the hospital, some of the donors to send a sick by, you know. Now, you show, who says, send your assembly to severe, yeah. Papa, you free more, just say, Obiati, no be in your shock. Now, ye de in Kaibo, Equacoma is Excellency Nanado, Danko Kufuado, Ewa Flagstaff House. Nekoba say NDC, Niba, Kumpo, and Casinato, then a cousin, someone, so no, so no, almost aside in the same.
Merci. Also, when one can say, me say, quiet, forest. Who did a chiri, or two on the shop. What I say, a barco. They won't have quiet anymore. No, say, near the one in Ubia or baby away, who see it, baby will receive. Drapia will receive it. Son of Bushiati, son of Kubiati, Sir Korea, oneness. Ah, Neduma. And one I said, Papaya Yaria go down. Then this won't be enemy uncle. Uncle Hen. Oh, we sure. Want to me any Bushiana uncle. President uncle, Sine ye. Oh, we should be any museum. And the grudge. It means a grudge be. Oh, because, and says, as someone who would have been today, and as about social media. Not a yellow crest, not say,
Not just saying, yet,
and yet, Uba Banya crowd, Uma, one yet crowd, Uma Miano. And a pen for that can be said. Ahuma, Diaoi, one of my headache, looking so. Another one, and no other man who makes a hunso. But you say, oh, and this senior. We are penny one. And yet, JJ running here on the baby queer. And go away. Oh, more to Mama says, who young drop money. I'm a gun, her crown, watch it in. Ya, depending moon. Nina, if you take your runnings. The sample, Sabby, being Cassette. Ebia asema ba ni tebi ko no krampo na woni na anya dwene o kwami so ene bia o kasa boti awa da bio ye nya de sa hwe obi yaw papa ama unja ba bi si na duru ba bi na nipa no wo ya uboni se de ni a empono na kai papa ba ko no ye wo was Baba Bakuno Yellow, and you walk when you walk here, be up on your aunt, baby. It is a chamber as in case say, one pona, what you be here. Also forget it. No, papa, the old papa. Uma mia. So, one more you may be at Atena. I didn't know not a bush of war. The money, the fear of war. And I to me a co-president war. The bush of war, the Kahumbi, a bush of penny, akwa sile yie na na mo ho ye de
enti apostle wo pa je say senya dodo na ka say NDC fo nka wo e wo mra ye kwose eye na ye wrong no so wo support sa idea na
se wo mo nka ho anko bidia o ma ye ni enye correct
sa na what if say ya mo kwan so
wa na mo kwan abusuafo na mo kwan sese me na bigiri se abusuafo ntumi ka se mo ma mo nko kani nyina me ka be ba social media ke beti e de ya ke beti so na mi ha kwa no ne ntimi ho ase e wo sa asem ya wo bisa me
abato me be se me china aha no di bisa asem se ko ba mi se ya na che se nipa da se ni ase nipa ni nkae o
ya o da se ni nkae me na me ka che o pe se obu a obaye ne papa se dien obon odi boni ni betua oka obayi uboni aye eso wona ma wo ya agimai wona ma ni ye bema wona ma ni ye oba bedu beblu se nkofo ogbo ho po abe di uboni bia ono kura do bedika na no wi bi papa yesu Judas no na koba
ono
wani na tun sa didi wa yo
no correct
esuo go so no mo ya fine pa emne no du ye no wo si o mu tu odi wo si mu a me ni mu didi mu ba ko be yimi ama na asema ba na awurade ne dia asem na okay wo si mi ya me wo si dia me ne tun sa wa yo mu didi ono wani be yimi ama ampani ampa what the coin in my let me a border seeing you are worst enemy could be your best friend and your best friend you are worst enemy
apostle ya mu tu ade na ma ne basa and then I need
send the people why ye eni nkai eni be go on ma we ya de man ko said enya o papa said enya na ni so da
sa
onya ko be you of you e wo ho any human nature omo ti za no musuro yan popo because obi enya usuro yan me na yan me hu wo mu no obi yi o papa o yire fita obi kai ni papa because the spirit of God is within you and remember o ka o niam bebre ama hu sa so si we e se me ya papa asma si we e se me ne ye fine so ti ase because I am papa pe we are sami e chan no na ke they said you who can it. Then is why you just run is among. No, and never.
Now, Pastor Usha Sanya, you kikakoya. A year, Senya Min charge. A year time, no, a bay as from J. Quanso because it's here. A year, president, or sister, say, in a bay befitting barrier like government, state barrier. Now, NDC for so. And I hear say my papa was a founder of NDC. Aban.
Yes.
Now almost to say as a baby almost coming. Now my many suicide as a baby as an actor within a family. As some baby beba my year nipa kubi and I say be different president here the NDC for your more dear. Now Zenato so the family here the and say na wow chef who pictures and your man choir say the year back one.
Merci, that was pa Mishra. Oh, okay, Genesis chapter 15:1. Joko. Uye no, imani nyina, bushani nyina. Eye bibia kama. Joseph na so kasa uye no, abushani nyina, ese eye na ye kama. Ma bibia to isie no ya. Asem bi abechi. So, enti abushani ye. So nipa bi wu a maybe nipa no ye adwuma bi anaso kwa asori bi. Ese abushia no ne asafo no etrase na ehihye wo no dia ese asafo no ye ene dia abushia mo no ye ni aye na aye kama. So, edi we no Rice no why public figure. Oh, but you mampani vinhye duomu a Ghana ni bia ye bi obi ani akonwa nche sada. So tiase ye. Ene why ni ma bebre. Enti oya ban nipa complete. Oya ban nipa. Osandu fi abusuam. Enti osa abusuafo no ene aban etrase no ye bibia kama na say grudge wo ho dia at times no bi no mutumi ye mienu ma hu no bi a ni kunu abushafo ye no so ko ye na yi why? Because and some will grudge woman. So, I say, indeed, and then found, but I don't know, say, there a yenny say, and come in about copper. So, I say, now, say, Uncle Bassa, then a common woman, you know, Muti. No, a woman can buy who my yaman, come on. I was young so pa. Nicroman Cassan, Ometima.
Yes, I parties too. Don't say or a founder of National Democratic Congress. And the MPP are banned so and they see so. Say, I wish I why more I deserve say a sample a year. With these two parties, because the Akoya and another Casa will declare that maybe I ever. Now, NDC for so and can now or no, your founder. Omo bi enu na ka wan na yesanka oji na nimu wo eyi mu
we say ye we no jeje wo nsi wo awu no wo wu ama Ghana mai enti party a wo ti akonwa so ta se wo na wo be gina am ya ye
okay
enye NDC ni party ni oye one ye founding member founding father of the party. So, but only power.
Okay.
It is your power. One a big general. No munati opposition for no. And government. They were bomb back. Where I came back. After 20 years, nobody are in a year. And I come because on my penny JJ Warrens. When you nipa, Huna, Sabu, when you nipa be Satake. What you figure? Oye nipa bia sese Ghana no odimu odimu ena wadan bonkum so endi this one team etifu nko engo sie eza pa na government in power na do no dey depend for no my mistake so na me Jesus na do na adro mapie onimi yansa oye baduma one kasa endi this one nko sie na so munyi bibia no mo metreta osa no what you say anya dey o ye bibi pabi kakra ama Ghana mai
okay
no eti government o tiso ye NPP for any NDC for any abusuafo no
na so mo support na chese bi ya ko se na ese ko eti for
di baby
apostle ye me no
yo okay eti baby esiesie fu abusuafo epa o mo ka se ko sie mu kru no matter si ye visual o maka si esie no nkra e de wo mo ana de e je mo hihye bia bebra ne tikuro nkwa gina enti wo mo nyina no o mo nka mom no mo nye na o mo pani da da jeje wuro ni sa wo nye ba bi koi na chiri ne ewo yi mu no enko ye man so twen ene nsem kika ene de ma nsem pata na ye bokko enti mi sra Ghana man se enti mi sra ayi Ghana man busuafo so office so go gape voter region dia busua mo hwem na mo ni aban enye baako na ya papa jeje ya wadan bonkum so na mo tu bibia na sumdwe mra na betum makao ya mfa nya hwe wiase na NDC won so wo hawo ni amane misunderstanding si bikura na wo ho a enye sabre ena mo be show amani pe hu mo nka mo ni government enye baako ne abusua no na mo sie no na nye kama na bibia ento din enti mi na mase se sabre mo tie mi apostle Ajibai Krempe. My number here 0544 262614 0544 262614 and 020 70 211 020 70 20011 Urade fa jeje ni kra nsie yi asomdwe kan Ghana fo ani yane yetima mu nyina nyame hyira wo ya wo Yesu dim amen
ayo etie for we de ya suma discussion send isi course no me gidi se won so what ni apese what na wadwen kire so wo behia na waja wadwen kire ato your comment section wo e de amayen na won subscribe and so abon mo de na subscribe send e be ya dan de djumedie bi ato mo a won so won sa ebeka bi no watumi a kire wadwen na wo like na wo share e de my abribia promote channel we ene de so mo amuni aba mesika na me de nkomo twetwe yi ebe so mu ye won kofu ko bi so a wo so ya nsem mama Juliet Ventures e ba wo kitchen pe so ra wo kitchen na wo free 110 tam so abibia ko pepepe de na wato wa bo mo de afa mama Juliet number no e wo ase e wo as a loan master the answer government worker we a teacher doctor nurse say the answer we do salary e wo controller and as a police who police service man and military now afa loan master number e wo ho na project bia we nya ska urgent no be boa ma won sa aka aha e na ebusuafo me de mo e be si da se ne ye be san ehia makra mo